Hello everyone and welcome to day number 83 of your daily Chafetz Chaim. Today we continue with the 10th chapter of the laws of Lashon Hara. The Chafetz Chaim writes in Halacha number 15, "And now see, my brother, how carefully one must weigh their words before sharing negative information about others, because when a person does have this conversation, they are in grave danger of violating the prohibition of Lashon Hara if they are not careful to fulfill all of the different criteria that are necessary to be fulfilled in order to relate that information, and specifically the second and fourth conditions need special attention. And it is obvious that about this situation we can apply the verse, Maves v'chayim biyad halashon, death and life are in the hands of speech. And if a person doesn't prepare themselves ahead of time to know exactly what they are going to say and how they are going to say it, they will certainly stumble and violate the laws, chas v'shalom, of Lashon Hara, because when it's being said over, a person's anger can get the better of them, and it's impossible to stop that. And therefore, a person needs to make sure to very carefully choose their words ahead of time and be able to say it over in a way that it is going to be accurate and will not make it look any worse than it needs to be in order to accomplish the purpose that is trying to be accomplished through sharing this information. And then halacha number 16, the Chafetz Chaim continues and says, and from all of this we can see the mistake that so many people make, that if someone sees someone saying Lashon Hara about someone else and they approach them and say, "Why are you saying Lashon Hara?" So he might immediately answer from there, because, well, he also said Lashon Hara about me. And this, the Chafetz Chaim says, is a tremendous mistake, because, first of all, he wasn't allowed to believe that the other person had said Lashon Hara about him. And second of all, even if it was true, that's still not a reason to be allowed to say Lashon Hara about him, and therefore this is a big mistake that people make.